What's going on, guys? So I'm back out here working on my shitbox Jeep, my base ride. My exhaust has got a little leak. She's not running the best right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off the muffler and tailpipe. So as you can see, I've already got my muffler dropped down. Just a flange with 2 bolts. But I didn't realize that whenever I went to pull the tailpipe out and get it over the axle, I couldn't get it because my drive shaft is in the way. So I've got to go underneath there and pull the bolts out for the drive shaft, drop it down, and then we should be able to just go ahead and pull this whole tailpipe out and then get the other one and bolt it right up. Shouldn't need a new gasket or anything. These right here, they already come without a gasket. It's a gasketless coupling basically. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute when I get this one out of here. So let me go ahead and get my ratchet and get this thing off. Alright guys, so if it's hard to see, I apologize, but so I got the 4 bolts loose here for the drive shaft. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out now. There's just 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Alright, so now I got this off a year ago, but it may be a little pain in the butt, so I'm probably gonna have to either tap it with this bar. So drive shaft is down. I should be able to just go ahead and get this out of here now. It is so close, but we got it, I think. Now I'm stuck. I gotta get underneath this pipe. Oh, okay, this is the joy of not having a lift. Okay, so as you can see, I have the muffler off and the tailpipe. That's where the one hanger that was giving me a pain in the butt was catching on everything. This one was already broken off. I gotta pull it out from underneath the vehicle still. It's still hanging on the rubber. This is what I was talking about you're not needing a gasket. You see how this is got like a little bevel in there? Kind of like a pipe. Well, this flange here, but yeah, you see this flange here, how it sticks out? So those meet together with just 2 bolts, and then you don't need any gasket or anything, so should be able to just get the other stock OEM tailpipe and bolt it right up to it. But I am gonna have a pain in the butt getting it back in there. As you can tell, it was pretty hard getting it in there, so but I'll get it, I'll manage it. So now I'll just have to go and pick it up. But I just want to hear what it sounds like with no muffler. I'm trying to be in here giving demos to people. I don't want the exhaust to be that loud, but yeah, we'll get it all fixed up. But yeah, so if you look at this, looking at it, you're like, well, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't really look too bad and rusted out nowhere. It doesn't look like there's any holes in it. You know, it's a little rusty, but for the most part, it's in great shape. Yeah, that's true. Until you get right here along this seam here. A little on the end there. There's a little hole there, all in the edge of that crack. The one joint, it's just rusted through, and it's giving me some really bad issues, idling issues and stuff like that. So we're gonna trash that, like I said, and get a new exhaust on there. Alright guys, so I got the brand new exhaust and tailpipe here. This one's actually a 2-piece, so it's going to be a little easier. I don't have to deal with the drive shaft hanging down and all in my way, which is already out the way anyways. But I think what'll be easiest if I go ahead and put the tailpipe on the hangers first, have it hanging in there, and then I'll go ahead and bolt this up to the flange, and then all I have to do is I have a exhaust clamp. I'll just go ahead and slide that in there, bolt it up, and then I'll clamp it down. Should be good to go. So it's getting fairly dark. I mean, sun's going down, but I have about an hour left. Shouldn't take too long as I don't, you know, bullshit around too much. So let me go ahead and jump on this. I'm gonna get the tailpipe in there and hanging and get this thing done. So, alright, now I just need to get the exhaust underneath here. I saw a guy on a channel. He did a little thing with some little bitty thin pieces of aluminum plating to put back up there on his heat shield to hold it up, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna worry about that. Just gotta grab these bolts. Oh no. Something happened to my camera. Alright, well anyway. So I got it all fitted up there. Everything's in there. I just gotta get my clamp. You can see the hanger there, and then there's one more in the back. I don't know if you can see it right there. I'll get a better look, but yeah. Now I just have to get my bolts and the flange fitting, and then the U-bolt for the clamp and the clamp itself. But yeah, there's the other one there. Tailpipe running out the back. All nice and new. And now I just gotta grab these bolts for the exhaust. That's the drive shaft bolts there. Put that back together when I get these on there, and then get the clamp on there. Right here we have a exhaust clamp, so should get the job done. I'm going to go ahead and get this clamp out. Make sure everything's good to go with it. Okay. Alright, there it is. Nice new exhaust. All the way back from the muffler. Nice. It's a little bit off. You know, they could have had it this way a little bit more centered. But yeah, it's good to go. Everything's good. It's hanging on the hanger there. Hanging on the other hanger. Out the way of the suspension and everything. So, alright. We are golden. So, now let's just crank it up and see what it sounds like. It sounds louder, a little bit. Doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, it's getting the outline really good. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one.